Okay, guys, let me show you how I came up with this setup that gave us this huge profit. Okay, we actually came in from here, and of course, this was our last TP, and this gave us 41,000 points, and that's a huge one because this trade is on 15-minute time frame. This is Paynex 1200, and I dropped this signal in the Telegram channel. Apart from analyzing it in my video, I also dropped the exact signal in the Telegram channel, and so many people benefited from this. Congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up this trade. Okay, but right here I'm going to give you full gist on how I'm able to come up with these trading signals. Probably you too can learn from it and also be able to generate signals like this on your own. Okay, because that is the essence of you being a member of this channel. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you are joining me for the first time and you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, guys, like I said, this is Paynex 1200 on 15-minute time frame. So if you should notice, these had been on downtrend for a while. Okay, starting from this resistance zone, and we milked it till it got to this support zone. So when it got to the support zone, it was unable to break out from there. So it tried to go back on uptrend, but didn't go too far, and came back down again to see if it can break out below the support zone, but it was still unable to break out below it, so it tried to go back up again. Okay, so when I noticed that it has given us some kind of double touch or multiple touch on the support zone, I also noticed that this has actually switched into an uptrend at this point. Instead of me coming in at this point, I remember that, okay, this has actually got into this resistance zone and it's had this pullback. Okay, so it is better I go above the resistance zone for a good entry point. So we had our entry point at this spot, and of course we use this as our stop loss. Okay, in case it does not trigger the entry point or refuse to go as directed, then it should go back down and also get to the stop loss. Okay, so thereafter I also highlighted the TPs. Okay, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is 5 TPs. So we had 5 TPs for yesterday's trade, and as you can see, we achieved TP 1, we achieved TP 2, we achieved TP 3, we achieved TP 4, and right now we have achieved TP 5. This is a good one, and I'm really happy that we are able to do this. Okay, you might be asking, what is the extra exact strategy that you are using? Okay, that you might be asking me the exact strategy that I am using. Actually, there is no perfect strategy. Like I always tell you, there is no perfect strategy, but whichever strategy you are using that is giving you up to 80% accuracy level, then definitely hold on to it and make sure you follow the strategy strictly. The strategy I am using is actually giving me amazing results on daily basis. There are times that it will hit my stop loss, but in most cases I achieve TPs like any other thing easily. Okay, so this is so amazing, and I've been using this strategy for over 2 years now, and I'm really happy that I am able to come up with a software for this strategy, which is the custom made indicator you are seeing right now. Okay, and of course, guys, the strategy is just trend trading strategy, and all you need to do is just to follow this trend. Okay, so if the trend is on uptrend, you don't need to sell. Okay, if you notice, we had the sell signal around here, but we didn't sell because we've bought already, and this is on uptrend majorly. So if it is on downtrend, you just need to sell, you don't need to buy. Okay, so that is it. It is as simple as that. So the only thing you should focus on is how to identify the trade, trend, okay, how to identify when there will be a switch in trend, okay. So these two are very very important. So if you can identify how to, I mean, if you can identify the trend, then definitely it will help you to know the exact trade to go for. And if you can identify when the trend will switch from one trend to another, it will help you to enter into a trade right from the beginning of the trend for a very long time, okay. So all these things are very very important. So these are the areas you just need to focus on in order to have a good trading opportunity. And I'm going to give you the answers, okay. For you to identify where the switch will happen, you just need to focus on the resistance zones and the support zones, okay. So if you can identify the resistance and the support zone, then definitely you already know where there is going to be a switch from one trend to another, okay. So because right here the support zone, we expect it to either break out below the support zone or it switch from uptrend, I mean, from downtrend into an uptrend. At the resistance zone, it is either there is a breakout above it or it switched from uptrend into a downtrend. So this is very, very simple. So these are some of the things you look out for each time they get to these zones. Okay. Now, people have been asking me, what is the next thing? We enjoyed the last signal and we made a lot of profit from there. So what is the next thing? Are we still going to buy more or we are going to sell? Let's check out the general trend of this particular asset, Paynex 1200. I'm going to go to H4 because we've been on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is H4, just to know the general trend. What if I tell you that that uptrend you saw on 15 minutes time frame is actually a pullback on the general trend? Can you believe that? So it's we only traded the pullback on general trend. Okay. So if you should notice, the general trend had been on downtrend for a while. Okay. It had been on downtrend for a while. The trend actually started around here. We had our market structure switch at this point. Okay. So it had a pullback and of course broke out from structure around here, went back down again, broke out from structure again, and of course went back down, broke out from structure again, broke out from this structure again. Even though this is at the support zone, it went back down. If it breaks out from here, then we will be having market structure switch. Then at this point, it means that it will be on uptrend at that point. But we cannot say that this is going on uptrend at this point, not until it is able to break out from here. Okay, that is when we are going to have our MSS, that is market structure switch. Okay, that is, it is changing from a downtrend into an uptrend. But if this buy signal does not make it break out from here, then definitely it will go back on downtrend and even um break out from this support region to give us another level on the downtrend signal. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so this is still majorly on downtrend on the general level. Okay, the only reason why it will not be on downtrend is if this MSS happens around there. Okay, that is when it will not be on downtrend, and if that happens, once it breaks out from there, okay, we will have to wait for the pullback. When the pullback happens, then we come in with a buy, and of course we should be targeting this level at that particular point. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then we should be targeting this level. That would be a very long trading opportunity. So let's see what is going to happen if we will definitely have a breakout from here. Okay, so for now, that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. So you can see how easy we are able to achieve a good trading opportunity with a single trading signal that gave us a lot of profits. This is not the only asset that gave us a lot of profits yesterday. We also traded this. This is Penex 999. You can see it. We had our entry point around here, and it achieved all our TP 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, four. This is the fourth one. Okay, this trade actually started 2 days ago, but gave us all our TPs yesterday. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. It only gave us two TPs 2 days ago, but yesterday it achieved the rest of the TPs. So that's so amazing. I'm really happy we are able to achieve this together. This is still using the same strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. So you just need to learn the strategy and you will get it right. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me kindly subscribe to the channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.